Hello, Field Tech family. My name is Michael and I'm with Field Tech Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you what it's like to close a WorkMarket ticket for those of you who have never actually completed a WorkMarket ticket. Now we can kind of see the billing process and what a job may pay. Then we have an idea of what you can look forward to in the future. Let's get into it. This ticket is an audio-video style ticket where we actually installed some speakers. On this side, you'll see you have the pricing at $65 an hour for up to 3 hours. So that's your pre-approved amount. A lot of buyers will increase it as needed if there are delays on site or if the site simply takes longer than they expected for good reasons. Some WorkMarket tickets actually have fees associated with them. It is up to the buyer whether they pass the fee along to the technician or whether they pay the fee themselves. That is not WorkMarket's decision. That is the buyer's decision. So in this case, you'll see there is a $9.75 fee for the ticket, which is a 5% fee. Those of you who are on Field Nation are used to a 10% fee. So even though there is a fee on this, it is 5% rather than 10%. Are you an IT field tech struggling to make enough money on platforms like WorkMarket and Field Nation? The Direct Client Package has over 40 different national clients that offer service calls all across the United States. I have technicians who have bought the Direct Client Package who are earning over $3,000 a month within their first 2 months. In the description of this video, there's a link to the Direct Client Package information page, or you can go directly to our website at fieldtechacademy.com. Let's get you out in the field making money. This ticket was a little bit of a distance for us, so we requested travel up front. So you'll see the expense request by worker is $92. In theory, if we worked all 3 hours and the travel, this ticket would pay $277.25. Now we need to look at what we actually worked and see if that is going to be less or more. And if it is more, then we'll need to request a budget increase. If we look down on the ticket, we'll see what we have put into the ticket. I've not yet filled out the custom fields section. Now I filled those out with the required information and we're going to save that. Just click Save Custom Fields and you'll get a pop-up that says Successfully Updated Custom Fields. Before you close the ticket, you want to verify your time and make sure that you clocked in and clocked out at the correct time. You can edit it if, for example, you got to site and forgot to actually check in the app. You can hit Edit and change the time. So you'll see we spent 1 hour and 55 minutes, so basically 2 hours on site. So we did not reach the 3-hour threshold, so we don't have to ask for extra money. Now we want to look at our photos and other deliverables. They require a sign-off sheet, so we've uploaded that here. The standard template from this buyer has a requirement for 3 photos, but we worked with 4 speakers and the related ceiling tiles, so I actually uploaded more photos than that. And there's nothing wrong with having more. It's certainly better than not having enough. This was kind of an odd job. We weren't actually doing anything technical per se. Apparently, whoever did the install damaged 4 ceiling tiles. So our job was to go out, take the speakers out of the old ceiling tiles, cut the new ceiling tiles, and put the speakers into those ceiling tiles without damaging them. So we've got all of our deliverables up. At this point, we're ready to close the ticket because we know we're within the pre-approved budget. So on WorkMarket, you click the Complete Assignment button. And at that point, you can actually enter in your closing notes. It pulls the hours from the time entry, the 1 hour, 55 minutes. It pulls our additional expense that we requested. So this ticket is going to pay $216.58. If I'm certain that everything is good, I'm going to submit for approval. It reloads the page, and now I can see that it is in pending approval status. So this job is now gone to the buyer. They're going to review it on their side, and they're going to mark it approved. Now you'll see that there are different pricing amounts over here because now it's reflecting what's actually been done. So it shows that we worked 1 hour and 55 minutes, so that is the pay for that amount of time. This is the adjusted marketplace fee of 5%. Our expenses are here, so it shows that with the fees, then we're going to be paid $210.35. So that's what it's like to close a WorkMarket ticket. If you got value today, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Appreciate your time, your comments, and your support of the channel means the world to me. As always, let's get you out in the field making money. I'll see you in the next video.